All right, guys, we got to work on this trailer today. Look at that. Golly. Customer called, said they wanted to fix this. Add another brace over there on that other side. Might want to see if he wants to fix that jack because it was hard to lift it up and hook it up. We got the brace there. I'm going to replace the whole deal, put a new one. Put those braces brand new. Put another brace here in the middle. Add these braces. He said he wants to put one right there too. So that's the project for today. Let's go get this material to replace it. I'm gonna cut this whole top part off. We got two brand new pieces. I'm gonna replace it with. And if I need to, I can use this piece right here, the old one that I'm gonna cut off. If I need to, I can cut those as runners for these right here to go up and down. But man, that thing is destroyed. Look at it. I don't know if it was a blowout or what. We gotta replace. I don't know if they want to fix that or not. I'm gonna see what they want to do with that. But you can tell, look at it. It's not even straight at all. It's all curved. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this too, just to make it look real nice. God, ew, brother, ew. We're gonna get it fixed. Gonna make it look brand new. Got it all cut out already. About to clean it up with the grinder, clean it up. There's the old one right there. I'm gonna clean all this up. Start getting that new metal, measuring it, getting it ready to weld that back on. We are officially done. He has to order the fenders or buy the material to make them. But all he wanted to fix was the rails, so there we go. All done. That's the old one. Look at that. This thing is ready.